So YouTube have this new feature and it's called auto dubbing. And what it does, it allows me to convert English videos that I record and upload to my channel into 8 other different languages. So those languages are French and German, Indonesian, Spanish, Italian, Japanese, Portuguese and Hindi, but it's only available for new uploads to my channel. So all of these previous videos that I've got on my channel, I can't do, but that's still okay. And it actually works in reverse as well. So those 8 languages that I mentioned, they can all be converted back to those other languages and English as well. So I suppose in some ways there are 9 different languages. But YouTube haven't made this overly easy. They've sort of hidden the functionality on how you do it. And that's why for most people, they're probably not even aware of it. So let me show you how with a few clicks, I can convert all new video uploads and have them auto-dubbed into those languages. So I'm going to click on here, Manage Videos, and then over here on the left, Settings. And then I'm going to click on Upload Defaults. And then I'm going to click on Advanced Settings. See, I told you it was a little bit tricky. It would be very hard to find. And if we scroll down, you can see here, automatic dubbing. So on that particular here, I've already, in this particular instance, I've already set it up to allow automatic dubbing on all of my videos. Now you can click around and play with some of the boxes where you can manually review that type of thing, because what it does say is sometimes the auto dubbing using the AI is not overly accurate, and you may want to sort of preview and just sort of give it I suppose a run through before your video goes live. But it's that simple. And clicking on here, learn more, it tells us a bit more about the feature. And as it says, automatic dubbing generates translated video audio tracks into different languages to make your videos more accessible to viewers around the world. Videos with these audio tracks are marked as auto dub. So also says it's not available to all creators yet. It's being rolled out. So just check your settings like I've just showed you as well to see where it's available for you. And as I say, here were the languages that it mentions: French, German, Hindi, Indonesian, Italian, Japanese, Portuguese, and Spanish. Now, if you're not a fan of it, you can go in and turn it off by just doing the reverse of what I showed. But overall, I think it is going to be a good feature for us to increase our reach, potentially gain, significantly more views, maybe even millions of more views and even followers as well. But what I'd like you to do is go to the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts on YouTube's auto dubbing feature. Have you activated it? Are you using it? And let me know your thoughts here in the comments. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you're watching this on my YouTube channel, or also if you're watching it across any of my other socials. You know the drill. Give me a thumbs up, give me a like. Make sure you leave me a comment as well. Let me know where you're tuning in from around the world.